If you have ever taken a photography class, you know that one of the first things they will teach you is to invest in a good quality camera. This is because the quality of your photos greatly depends on the quality of your camera. However, carrying around a bulky camera can be a hassle, especially if you are someone who loves to travel and capture your adventures. In this video, we'll share the top 5 best compact cameras that are not only light and portable, but also deliver exceptional image quality. We know that a camera that works best for one might not be the best for another. That's why we've picked only the best of the best, so you don't have to sacrifice any features for portability. We have also included the link to each camera below in the description box, so you can check them out and purchase your favorite one. Alright, now let's dive into the list. Number 1. Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 is the perfect example of how something small and compact can pack a punch. This mirrorless camera comes with a 20-megapixel stacked-back illuminated 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor with DRAM that delivers impressive image quality and rich detail. One of the main highlights of this advanced camera is its large aperture Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens, which allows for exceptional low-light photography and shallow depth of field effects. Another impressive feature of the Sony Alpha is its enhanced subject capture capabilities, which include wide 425 phase and 425 contrast detection points that cover a whopping 84% of the sensor. This allows for fast and accurate autofocus, even when shooting fast-moving subjects. The Sony Alpha A6400 is also a great option for videographers, with its ability to shoot 4K video and various movie functions such as time-lapse and slow, quick-motion videos. The tiltable LCD screen adds to its versatility, making it suitable for vlogging, still photography, or even professional filmmaking. With its ability to shoot up to 11 frames per second at 24.2 megapixels, this camera is perfect for capturing fast-paced action and ensuring crisp, clear, natural colors in every shot. If you don't want to sacrifice image quality for portability, the Sony Alpha A6400 is just the camera for you. Number 2. BoFiPo 4K Digital Camera. Do you need a camera that's both travel-friendly and pocket-friendly? If you're on the hunt for a compact, versatile camera that doesn't compromise on quality, the BoFiPo 4K digital camera might just be your perfect match. This sleek device packs a powerful punch with its 48-megapixel dual-lens system, delivering crisp, high-definition images with ease. Switching between selfies and landscape shots is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design that lets you effortlessly capture both without missing a beat. The innovative autofocus system ensures that every photo is sharp and clear. Just tap the capture button, wait for the focus frame to turn green, and you're good to go. With a 16 by digital zoom, you can easily zoom in on distant subjects and bring them into stunning detail. For video enthusiasts, this camera supports 4K recording and includes a handy pause function, perfect for vloggers who want to maintain seamless content. It's also tripod compatible and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, so you'll never run out of juice during those long shooting sessions. Lightweight and packed with features like face recognition and anti-shake, this camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture their world with ease and quality. Number 3. Tupsio 8K Digital Camera. Whether you're someone who thrives on outdoor adventures or simply enjoys capturing life's vibrant moments, the Tupsio 8K digital camera is a game changer. This rugged camera is built to withstand whatever your journey throws at it. With its waterproof design, dust-proof shell, and shock-proof durability, you can confidently take it hiking, snorkeling, or on any rough-and-tumble expedition. Featuring stunning 8K UHD video recording and a remarkable 70-megapixel photo resolution, this camera delivers crisp, detailed visuals that make your memories pop. Its autofocus system locks in sharp focus quickly, and with macro capabilities allowing you to get as close as 1.97 inches to your subject, you can capture everything from intricate coral textures to the tiniest critters in stunning clarity. The Tupsio camera is also equipped with a hefty 2,500 mAh battery, providing up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording. The included 32GB SD card ensures you have ample space for all your adventures. Plus, its dual screens, a 2.88-inch front screen and a 1.44-inch rear screen, offer a user-friendly interface for framing shots and reviewing images. Whether you're diving deep or exploring rugged trails, this camera's versatility and resilience make it an ideal companion for capturing every extraordinary moment. Number 4. Camcori Digital Point and Shoot Camera. While this point-and-shoot digital camera from Camcori may be small in size, it's big on features and usability. This camera captures stunning 44-megapixel photos and full HD 1080p videos thanks to its advanced CMOS sensor. The intuitive design of this camera makes it easy to use for both beginners and professionals alike. It also means you don't need to fiddle with complex settings. Just press the shutter and get natural, vibrant images with minimal effort. Its portability makes it an ideal companion for travel. Lightweight and compact, it fits snugly in your pocket, and the included 2 large-capacity batteries can last up to a month on a single charge. Perfect for extended vacations or day trips. The automatic turn-off feature helps conserve battery life even further. With its user-friendly interface, including a large LCD display and simple controls, it's a breeze for children ages 5 to 13 to navigate. For those who want to get creative, the camera offers 16x zoom and 20 artistic filter effects, plus features like anti-shake and smile detection. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this camera comes with everything you need: an SD card, lanyard, storage bag, and more. It makes a fantastic gift for kids and teens eager to explore photography and capture their favorite moments. Number 5. Stuogium Autofocus Digital Camera. If you're on the hunt for a versatile camera that excels in both capturing stunning photos and recording high-quality vlogs, the Stuogium DC402-AF is a solid choice. This compact powerhouse offers 48-megapixel image resolution and 4K Ultra HD video recording thanks to its advanced CMOS sensor system. It's ideal for travel enthusiasts and content creators looking to document their adventures with crisp, true-to-life detail. The Stuogium camera stands out with its innovative autofocus feature. Simply press the shutter button halfway to lock focus, and when the focus frame turns green, you're set to capture sharp, vivid images. The 16x digital zoom further enhances your ability to shoot distant landscapes with clarity. Equipped with anti-shake technology, fill light, and various image styles, this camera ensures stable, high-quality photos even in low-light conditions. The built-in microphone captures clear audio for your vlogs, and the camera can double as a webcam with its 2.8-inch IPS screen. It also supports recording while charging, so you're never left without power. It also includes a 32GB SD card, wristband, and lanyard, making it an excellent choice for vloggers, photographers, and anyone looking to capture life's special moments. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best compact cameras on the market. No matter your budget or specific needs, these cameras offer exceptional features and performance to help you capture all of life's adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just starting out, these compact cameras are sure to exceed your expectations and become your go-to companion for documenting all of life's special moments. So don't wait any longer, pick up one of these top-rated cameras today and start capturing memories that will last a lifetime.